Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you how much Honeybook costs and what are some also payment processing fees on Honeybook. So let's start. Now when you're going to click on the pricing plans, they got really simple pricing plans, and before we're going to jump into it, I have offer for you that if you want to actually use Honeybook, you can get 20% off with the link down below in the description. So if you're gonna scroll down below on this video and you would click on the link, you'll get right here and see Marcus Stone gave you Honeybook for 20% off for 1 year. So that's like pretty good, and that's something you can actually get. Now, unlimited monthly, unlimited annually, it really doesn't matter which you're gonna choose. It's up to you. So 390, let's say that you would choose the annual version if you're gonna have like everything there. 390, 0.12, 0.20, you're gonna save $78. So that's pretty amazing. And then you're gonna have the monthly and annual plan, and it's like straight away really simple. But when we look here also on the fees, we see that they have the transaction and processing fees, credit card payment, that's a flat fee of 3%, bank transfer, flat fee of 1.5%, and cash or check payments, you're gonna have no fee. So this is where the Honeybook makes money also. And if you're gonna need any questions, any help, let me down below in the comments, guys. Like, I created a whole 40-minute tutorial on how you can use Honeybook, so you can definitely check that out. And that's it. So thank you very much. Check the discount code in the description for getting better price with Honeybook. And I really recommend Honeybook. It's a good software. You're not going to make a mistake if you're going to use it. So see ya.